model, 1989 Citroen 280L 2.5L full camper grade project. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 222,407. Engine, 2500 cc. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition. This van has been part converted into a camper in the rear. With loads of potential and the sky being the limit, this could make a great family getaway. Some of the key features have already been installed and just require some TLC to get it over the finish line. Features, part service history, hob, fridge, bed, sink. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.